How to make custom gestures on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, go to AssistiveTouch at the top. On this page, go to the Custom Gestures section and tap on Create New Gestures. Custom gestures allow you to record gestures that can be activated from Custom in the menu. Over here, tap or swipe to create a custom gesture. A sequence of gestures will be combined into one multiple touch gesture. After creating your gesture, tap on Save at the top right corner. Enter a name for the gesture and then tap on Save. As you can see, you have successfully created a new gesture. Following these steps, you can easily make custom gestures on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.